Okay, good morning. This is Bill's Never Ending Projects. And we're going to put a muffler bracket on a 2005 Pontiac 2005 Sunfire right up here in this area where it's flat. There it is down there. We have to go get it. First I have to move this 2001 Dodge Stratus out of the way. Then that's the spot we're going to work in. I'm going to go down and get that one, bring it up here. Be right back. Now the reason we're going to replace it is because I guess they need to be made out of stainless steel and they break every couple of years. It wraps right around the muffler, so it takes all the salt in Wisconsin. So that's how low it's hanging down there. And it would be hanging lower, except that it's got a strong tailpipe and it catches on the angle that goes over to the wheel, and an old car would be hanging on the axle. But that's why it hasn't caught the ground. But as low as it's hanging there, as low as it's hanging, when I back up on this uneven driveway, it's a good way to break it off. So I got to fix it. Okay, I've got it switched. Now I got to go get the ramps and get it up on the ramps. Okay, the temperature on the 2001 Dodge Stratus says it's 78. So I guess that's all it is, but it feels hotter than that. These are some of my other projects. The 95 Grand Prix with the 3100 SE. 90 Continental. Drove it till it didn't have any water in it, and it locked up. A 2005 PT Cruiser, and it's a I had to think for a second. It's a 1990 Bonneville. Got it for $500 plus. I spent hours and hours and hours in the back seat working on the doors to get them open. The back doors wouldn't open. Now doors open. Well, back to the 2005 Pontiac Sunfire's muffler bracket. Yeah, one slid back. I'll just use the jack and put it under there. Save time. Pause. Yeah, that's what the tailpipe was resting on. That thing, that in an old car with rear-wheel drive, that would be the axle. But here it's just a thing that crosses between that tire and that tire. So I will jack on that thing and get the ramp set correctly, and get this old strap off there. And straight above is where I got to pull it out of, it looks like. So, pause. Okay, let's get this jack under there. I happen to have one of these big old antique jacks. I think I still might need a block of wood on it to get it to go that high. Let's see if I can put a block on it. I guess I got a decent sized one here. Or should put it that way. Probably would have went high enough anyway. I just want that side to go up, so kind of angle it over there, I guess. I can't tell. Do I got it under there far enough? I'll just keep pushing this in case it drops. Almost done. There we go. I can drive off it normal now. Okay, let's open it. See what we got here. Woo! It's hot. Cars are out in the sun. That's what I mean. It seems like it's hotter than 78. But, so just think of the people that have temperatures 20 and 30 degrees hotter than that. Okay, the rest is garbage. Got one bolt, one nut, one bracket. So then when it looks here, then I can just go under there and pull that one out because it's just a rod. That's what I'm going to go do. Looks like the O'Reillys gave her the wrong one. We got one with this little wire, this little rod sticking out like a rebar. That would just stick through a rubber hanger. And that's not the case here. This is at least, let me get the sign out of the way. This one's at least an inch. It's at least that much on my finger wide. And it doesn't look like it slides through anything. It looks like there's two bolts on the other side that come off. Yeah. There's a bolt. There's a bolt there. So I'm going to have to unbolt this, and we're going to have to take this in to get the right one.